Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how you can apply conditional formatting to your matrix in Power BI. So in our previous video we learned how you can create a matrix. So what you are going to do is you are going to copy this matrix visual and then you are going to paste it on another page. After that, you are going to select your visual and go to the visualizations tab. Here you are going to select the format your visual option, and then you are going to go in cell element. You are going to select sum of sales and then data bars. You are going to on it. And now as you can see that we can see some bars on our data. You can also change the color for these bars by selecting this option, and here you can select any color you want. Let's choose yellow for now, and we can also sort this by sorting our total. One more thing that we can do with our visual is that I'm going to remove sales from here, and instead of sales I'm going to choose profit. Now I'll go back to the formatting option, and here I am going to select data bars, and now as you can see that we have profit in -2. So for positive bars we are going to select the color green, and for the negative bars we will go with the red color. And select OK. And now we can see green bars for positive and then red color where the profit is in negative. You can also select icons and on it, and then you can also format these icons according to your preferences. So we are going to select that if our profit is above 33%, we are going to visualize a green arrow. Like this, and then I'm going to select OK. These icons are also known as key performance indicators. So this is how you can apply conditional formatting on any of your visuals you want. So I hope you learned something new. See you in the next video.